Page 10, Let It Go. This is a neat piece. It's got a lot of syncopation and stuff going on. We got to watch this counting very carefully on this because it'll get you. The rhythm is tricky. No sharps or flats. We're still using only the white keys. There's no sharps anywhere in it or nothing, so it's all white keys. We're not in C position. Actually, we're in a middle C position with the thumb sharing middle C to start, and then the left hand moves at the end down to C. We can handle that, but we can do that. Right hand first. Let's just make sure we have the notes and the rhythms here. So when the right hand comes in, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And that's tied. You're going to hold it down for 5 counts. Measure 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, rest, 2, 3, 4. It comes in on B4, and that's tied. You do that some more. Let's go down to the bottom. Measure 13. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. And that's tied. Now we have a little technical difficulty here, and it causes problems because it's using the awkward fingers. But I'm going to challenge you and ask you to do it. Just do it. Measure 17 going into measure 18. We have here. Really, it's this. That's what I want to connect all that. But I got to add the E to it. That's tricky to go from here to here and connect them. Just use the weight to do that. So it's ba-da-da. Lift up, and as you lower the weight for the dotted half note, change the fingers. And try and get the notes down at the same time. I don't always, but do the best you can with it. In order for me to get both notes down at the same time, I have to focus on the little finger, because that's usually the one that's late. And you focus on the one that's late, trying to get it to do its thing. So focus on that and let that happen. But try and connect them if you can. Measure 22. Second line. 1, 2, 3, or 1, 2, 3. So you got ties in there, and those ties are important. That adds the syncopation that we're going to need in this piece. Doesn't sound like much now, but stick around. Measure 26, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then going on. 4, 1, 2, so forth. Left hand. Remember, middle C positions are up here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's tied. Then going on. 1, 2, 3, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come up on beat 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Measure 17. Top of page 11. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I added the G that time. So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the counting. Just make sure you got this counting right, because when you go to put the hands together, the different hands have different rhythms, and so it gets Put the hands together. Okay, we're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I know I'm going over this kind of quickly, but I really encourage you to work this out and get the rhythm yourself, rather than, well, play it for me and let me hear it. No. You read the music and learn to play it. Let's go to measure 17. Here. You're here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember that D was tied through all that. 1, 2. Going on. Measure 21. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. You get the idea, I hope. It's tricky. The rhythm and the different hands are tricky. So work out those spots. Count it very carefully. Go as slow as you gotta go. I don't care. It's a 1, 2, 3. Use a metronome if you have to, as you take it at your speed. Make sure you have all the right notes, and then get rid of the hesitations. Because with all the syncopation going on, it's more important than ever to have a steady beat. It's always important, but this thing falls apart quick if you don't keep a steady beat. Dynamics, we'll start it out moderately loud, and that's the melody. You keep everything else under it. Whatever you think moderately loud is. See, now the melody's going back and forth between the hands. Soft, moderate. Exaggerate it if you have to. Play it really loud and then really soft at the same time to get the feel of that, and you can tone it down later. The top of page 11 on measure 17. Now you go up a little bit to loud. This all goes to here. 2, 3. And that's the right hand now. The left hand is soft, sort of. You get the idea. Until measure 21, when the left hand gets the melody. That's not really clear here, but I think what's happening here in measure 21 and 22 is the melody is going here. Here. So the left hand's loud and then soft, where the right hand takes over loud. Then on measure 25, you see the dashed line is telling you the melody is going down. Well, you have a P there, so now you're soft. The melody's soft, and everything else has to be very soft, so it's here. This is soft, and then here, that's the same. Well, that means this right hand has to be very soft then on measure 26. And now you went back up to loud. In the right hand. Left hand's keep it in the background. And then at the end, last measure, you're soft, that's both hands. Because the words ended. Next to that there, song's over. This is just an afterthought. Both hands are the same and they're both soft. Yeah, something like that. Now speed, they say moderately, but that's the overall feel of it. Because if you do the beat, it's not moderate, it's fast. You know, recordings of this. Because that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's not moderate, but it's the feel of it. It flows, and that's what it's. That's what's moderate is the feel. Well, you got to get it accurate first before you try it up that speed. I'll leave that up to you. with you very slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. Not going to do any dynamics. So I'll give us 4 counts, and remember the first beat here is a rest, so really it's 5 counts before you come in. 1, 2, ready, go, rest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2. 3, 4, 1.